Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called How Do I Create a Chef-Style Kitchen at Home? Now, if your idea of cooking has progressed beyond microwaving yesterday's leftovers and you're hungry for a slice of culinary magic right at home, listen up. Today we're diving into creating a chef-style kitchen that would have even Gordon Ramsay pausing in admiration, as long as no one overcooks the risotto. First things first, let's talk layout. The holy trinity of kitchen design, the work triangle, linking your sink, stove, and fridge in a fluid trifecta of efficiency. It's like conducting an orchestra where the violinist never has to trip over the cellist to hit the high notes. Ensure these elements are strategically placed to minimize excessive running back and forth that interrupts your focus. Next on the menu is your cooking apparatus. Professional-grade appliances are no longer the unicorns they once were. Whether it's a 6-burner gas range that can tackle every pancake, flapjack, and crepe you throw at it, or a state-of-the-art convection oven perfect for multitasking soufflé and roast, invest in reliable tools that make each dish sizzle. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. When installing heavy-duty appliances, confirm your selected contractor knows their tech as much as you know your way around the spice rack. A well-tuned exhaust system is vital to keep your kitchen from resembling a foggy karaoke bar. Let's not skimp on counter space either. Choose durable, easy-to-clean surfaces like quartz or granite that stand up to meal prep like stalwart culinary soldiers. You'll want your workspace as expansive and inviting as a fine French vineyard. Storage solutions are critical too. Deep drawers for pots and pans, organized shelving for spices, and overhead cabinets to stow away seldom-used gadgets keep your workspace tidy like Marie Kondo meets Iron Chef. Finally, light it up. You'll need lighting that rivals a movie set. Under-cabinet lights brighten your countertops and accentuate the delicate beauty of that perfect soufflé. Pendant lights over the island keep spirits high and warm up the ambiance. So there you have it, a culinary paradise carved out right in your home. With these key elements, your kitchen will not only function like a Michelin-starred venue, but inspire a love for cooking that just might make your dinner parties legendary. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.